afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Ces Molina, Don Macandili Katindig, and our best player of the game, Rose Doria, for the single HP Spiders who won the straight set against the Capital One Silver Spiders. Ces, congratulations on this win, ending the conference on a high note naman. Anong masasabi mo sa performance ng team?
Siyempre, as a team captain, very proud ako sa hard work na binigay ng team namin this conference. And yun nga, despite hindi kami nakapasok, malaking lesson to and experience as well na dadali namin para sa next conference.
Thank you, Ces. And for Don, this is your first PBL conference with Signal. How was your overall experience with the team?
Masaya pa rin naman kahit nga na we fell short, but for me, it's a learning experience. Syempre, it's all about team effort and kailangan talaga ma-resolve namin yung chemistry pa namin and kung paano namin madadala yung team sa taas.
Thank you, Don. And for Rose, you had 12 points today against Capital One. Ano lang din siguro yung naging motivation mo coming into this game para makapag-produce and help them?
Naging motivation, syempre yung team sa management namin na ilaro yung last game namin ng maganda.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ayun, for the players, ano na lang particularly yung silver lining na makukuha nyo from this conference? Na kahit hindi kayo nakapasok, ano yung mga positive takeaways?
For me, siguro yung thoughts ko na mababaon talaga namin. Yung silver lining na makukuha namin dito is, until the end, we fought together. As a team talaga, mahirap. Ang daming struggles, ang daming nangyari during the conference, individually and sa team. So, I think yung maging united pa rin kami until the end, na kahit na hindi kami nakapasok, we stay as one. So, yun.
For me, dahil nga bago ako sa team, so kinikilala ko pa rin talaga yung mga bawat ng teammates ko, yung weaknesses, yung strengths, and yun, parang I'm still in that process. And yun nga yung gusto ko sa team namin through ups and downs, talagang solid pa rin.
Same po kay Ate Ces. Tsaka kay Ate Don, through ups and downs, magkakasama kami. Manalo, matalo, iisa kami.
For Don, you took care of the fair defense ng Signal this whole conference. Ano na lang yung thoughts mo since diba the squad fell short to the making of the semis? Ano na lang yung nakikita mo na positive sa Spikers lalo na nagkaroon sila ng kumpiyansa nung ikaw na sa loob ng court?
As a defensive player, talagang yung iniisip ko lang sa loob is kailangan mataas ko yung bola para ma-set ni Jel and ma-spike ang mga attackers. Siyempre, kapag sa akin pa lang naputol yun, wala na akong mabibigay na kumpiyansa sa attackers. So talagang ino-all out ko lang yung trabaho ko para mabigyan ko ng kumpiyansa yung Spikers.
Also, to add lang, was it also hard mentally, most especially going against lahat ng teams kasi ngayon yung line-up, going against teams tapos yung role mo as a defensive to defend tsaka mabigay sa Spikers?
Mentally, actually coming into this team, sobrang minimal lang yung adjustments na ginawa ko. Like sa routine ko and sa pag-prepare na before game. Kasi yun nga, yung sistema ni Coach Shaq hindi nalalayo sa previous teams ko. So talagang very comfortable ako. And hindi ako nag-struggle na mag-fit in.
Then for Spikers na lang, since conference na, ano na lang yung thoughts niyo to have one of the veteran liberos on your side?
Yun nga, even we fell short, very kami proud kay Don dahil nakita niyo naman yung performance niya and yun nga, sa amin na yung ibang part kung bakit kami nasa situation na to, pero with the addition of Don and Job, Yun nga, sobrang happy ng team namin na nandito sila. And tumaas din naman yung kumpiyansa namin na nandito na si Don sa team namin. So, I think sa ibang skills, mas dadagdagan namin dahil na-fill in ni Don yung pagiging defensive player niya sa team. So, I think we will work on attacks pa, our blockings, and many, many more.
Ano yung happy?
Happy.
Siya na lang.
For Don, so ano na lang yung feeling na nakaharap mo yung mga dating mong teammates sa opposing side of the court, and at the same time, hindi pa rin mag-advance to the semis?
Syempre happy for them kasi
Paano ka?
happy. Kasi alam ko naman kung kung gaano nila kagusto. And syempre gusto rin naman namin, but it's all about yung team effort nga. So happy ako na nagawa nila yung part nila sa team nila, and nandun sila, and I'm rooting for them.
See you next conference.
See you next
Yes.
conference.
To anyone na lang, performance-wise, ano yung assessment nyo sa Signal this season? Kasi there are times na tinatalo mo yung contenders, pero at times kayo yun na parang natatalo naman na 0-3 or ano na lang yung performance-wise assessment?
Yun nga, as a team, close enough. We fell short, and yun nga, sinasabi ko na pagkukulang din na talaga ng team, especially players talaga. Dahil our coaches are very helpful and very supportive pagdating sa skills namin. So, it's us na pag naglalaro talaga. And you know, the other teams then, tumaas din yung level nila sa paglalaro. The lineup also are there. So, I think, yung mababaon namin sa susunod na conference is yun, hindi kami magsettle sa kung anong meron kami, and baunin namin lahat ng mga natutunan namin and mag-improve pa.
Thank you, Sas.
Thank you!